guys, drying time. I got my 2 packages of Comfrey, you can see in there, roots all packaged up and ready to go. I was hoping for a few more names, but that's okay. We'll draw with what we have here. So we're doing it the old-fashioned way since I only had 4 people comment. So I will draw the first name. The winner is Jay Conway. Congratulations, Jay. I will be in touch to get your address so I can mail out your Comfrey roots. And number 2, try not to look here, is SH. So again, I will get in touch with you and get your address so we can get these Comfrey roots in the mail. Congratulations to both of you. Thank you for everyone who subscribed. My subscribers jumped up. I was looking for 100, and at the moment I think I'm at 121, so that's awesome. I would like to keep growing. I think maybe I might do a t-shirt for my next giveaway. What, maybe 200 subscribers? Yeah, we'll go for that. So I'll decide on a t-shirt, or maybe I'll let the winner choose a t-shirt from my website. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll do my normal garden tour on Monday, hopefully, and show you I just pulled my, if you haven't watched my video for fermenting, I just pulled those out and stuck them in the fridge, and oh, the radishes are so yummy. I'm gonna need to have a salad here soon so I can put them on it. The garlic scapes are okay. Not my favorite. I think they'll be good in salads, but to eat alone. But the radishes, I could just munch on them forever. I need to get some more going. So that's it for today, and hopefully we will see you again on Monday. Have a great afternoon. Congrats to the winners. Bye.